Hello students, this is Shachi. Welcome to my channel Crack Chemistry. Today I am going to explain a class 11 topic. The name of the topic is Partial Covalent Character in Ionic Bonds Part 1 and the chapter's name is Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure. Students, before starting, I want to request you to support me by subscribing my channel so that I can make many more useful videos for you. Please press the like button if you like this video and share this video with your friends also. So now come with me and let's crack chemistry. Our topic is partial covalent character in ionic bonds. Children, you must be knowing that there are two main types of bonds which are called as ionic bond and covalent bond. An ionic bond is formed by the loss and gain of electrons between metal atoms and non-metal atoms. Metal atom loses one or more electrons and form the positive ion. This positive charge ion is called as cation, and the non-metal atom gains one or more electrons and form a negative charge ion, and another type of bond is covalent bond. The covalent bond is formed by the sharing of electrons between two atoms. The shared pair of electrons is supplied by both the atoms. In today's session, we will discuss about the development of partial covalent character in ionic bond. What does it mean? It means the ionic bond which was formed by loss and gain of electron is not 100% ionic. It has some covalent character. So how this covalent character will be developed in an ionic bond is a very interesting topic. So the development of covalent character in ionic bond I will explain you by taking an example. Children, consider that you have two ions. One is the positive charge ion which I am representing here as A+. So A+ is the positive charge ion which is formed by a metal atom by the loss of electron. And the other ion you can see is a negative charge ion B- which is formed by the gain of electrons by the non-metal atom. The positive charge ion A+ will attract the outer electrons of the anion towards itself. As a result of which, what will happen? The outer electrons of the anion will be distorted. This distortion of outer electrons of anion by a cation towards itself is called as polarization. So what is polarization? Polarization is the distortion of outer electrons of a negative charge ion by a positive charge ion towards itself. हम कह सकते हैं कि polarization जो होता है वो एक प्रोसेस है जिसमें कि पॉजिटिव चार्ज आयन किसी नेगेटिव चार्ज आयन के आउटर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को अपनी ओर अट्रैक्ट करता है. इसी प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं पोलराइजेशन. तो अब ये आपको क्लियर हो रहा होगा कि अगर पोलराइजेशन ज़्यादा है तो आउटर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जो हैं एनायन के वो पॉजिटिव चार्ज आयन की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो जाएंगे और एनायन के आउटर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स डिस्टॉर्ट हो जाएंगे. इसी डिस्टॉर्शन की वजह से आयोनिक बॉन्ड जो है अब 100% आयोनिक नहीं रहा, उसमें कुछ कोवेलेंट कैरेक्टर डेवलप हो गया. So now it must be clear to you that as the positive charge ion is attracting outer electrons of an ion towards itself, as a result of which the outer electrons of negative charge ion will get distorted. And this process of distortion of outer electrons of negative charge ion towards a positive charge ion is called as polarization. So now it must be clear to you what is the cause of development of covalent character in an ionic bond. The answer is the cause of development of covalent character in an ionic bond is polarization. More the polarization, more will be covalent character in an ionic bond. Less the polarization, lesser will be the covalent character in an ionic bond, or we can say the bond has more ionic character. So final conclusion is that if polarization is more, the covalent character will be more. Now in the last, one very important point I would like to mention here, that you can conclude at this stage that the development of covalent character in an ionic bond depends on both the ions. Because the smaller ion, which is the positive charge ion, which is called as cation, is causing the distortion of outer electrons of negative charge ion. So cation is causing polarization. And what is getting polarized? An ion is getting polarized. So it means the development of covalent character in an ionic bond depends both on cation and anion. So the development of covalent character in ionic bonds is decided with the help of set of rules which are called as Pajan's rules. So this Pajan's rules we will discuss in our next part. Children, whatever points I have explained you are written here in this slide. This is slide number 1. This is slide number 2, indicating what is polarization. This is slide number 3, and this is the last slide, showing that more the polarization, more will be the covalent character in an ionic bond. Children, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope each and every point is clear to you. Please post your doubts in comment box. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.